Keys in my pocket. Suck your belly and I'm filming. I've lost key. I got here with it. Oh, there it is. This is Alpha Tech. Paul's a tame MOT tester. That's Paul, I can see his head. I'll give Alpha Tech a little tag in this. Hopefully she'll pass. We'll find out in a minute.
You're walking home.
I'm walking home.
No, it's a good one.
That extra fiver says that, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Every
sweet.
time.
Every time. Nice one. Cheers. We've got an MOT as you've seen, but a couple of things to look at. I'll probably show you on here actually. As you pull the brake, you can see it's notching. I'm squeezing, notching like that. And it does go all the way down and it does lock the front wheel and it is an MOT pass, but that just wants a bit of love. Maybe pistons pumping in and out a few times and just see if it frees up, and if not, maybe a rebuild kit, we'll see. However, I'm going to have to put some work into those because she's only pulling, I think maybe 40% power. If I give it full throttle, you're just getting I'm pulling away and it's not right somehow. I mean, it's still quick enough for round town stuff like that on what it's got, but I think there's certainly some main jets are blocked. I think we're running on pilots basically on some carbs. So next job to look at. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, all that stuff. Bye bye.